yan?
Hi guys, so good morning and it's currently 1:30 AM sakto, and as you can see, kakatapos ko lang mag-ayos. May clip pa ako sa ulo. Andun yung brother ko, yan, tulog ko siya kasi na 1:30 AM pa lang, and we're going to Pampanga para mag-celebrate ng New Year. Tapos mag-aasikaso na kami kasi dapat 3 AM nakaalis na kami dito, tapos magkikita-kita kami sa NLEX. Doon na kami lahat makikita. So guys, yung mga damit ko, yung mga gamit ko, dyan lang siya. Hindi siya nagigising. Nag-set siya ng alarm. Hello, Papa! Hello everyone! So ito na kami guys. Inahanap na lang namin sila James kasi they are nowhere to be found. Pasok tayo sa Jollibee. Hanapin natin si James. Hanapin natin. Hi tita! Wow, mga independent. Tita. Kami sa Pampanga. Ito yung may-ari ng vlog, guys. Kaso tulog siya, guys. So, I'm taking over. Ay, papansin talaga to siya. Ayan siya, guys. So, grabe naman niya, si Princess. Sobrang sleepy. Hello guys! Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Hello guys! So right now, nandito na kami sa Racolta everyone. Ah! Hello girl! Hello guys! Wow! Let's go inside! So here's Racolta's unit, guys. Wow,
Ito yung ano namin.
Welcome to our house.
Welcome
to our rest house.
wow!
Nagdala na lang kami nakakapunta dito sa rest house namin.
Yeah!
You know, we have many properties. We have one in Olongapo.
Wow!
One here.
Kabog!
It's really hard to maintain.
Hirap maging mayaman.
Mahirap maging mayaman.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Wow! Ayan ang itsura.
Kilala ko kayo. Kilala ko na kayo.
Ganda. Hi guys! Lalim ng pulong. Pamigay na damit si Tita Abs.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi guys! Nag-iikot kami for our pictorials. May unggoy guys. Ang ganda ng unggoy, naka-blonde. So guys, very ano dito, very forest. Very nature vibes. The one and only.
I wanna pretend we're at the North Pole, turning the heat into an ice cold holiday, made just for me and my baby. My baby's in town and we're gonna do some winter things. Hey, hey.
Yes.
Wala na po kayong magagawa. Ganito na po talaga kami.
Ito na talaga yung lifestyle namin. Mabababukit dito.
Guys, yung ulam ko.
Kaya pala wala akong kayakap.
Puno na tubig.
Hi guys. So, ayun, kakagising lang namin and maliligo na agad. Ang daming agad. So, let's go down. Guys, it's time to swim. Huwag kayo magbabasa. May muna ko.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains.
Perfect.
Another night, another fight. Do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take things for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week.
Ang hot naman nito! Grabe naman!
Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean
swimming nila guys. So, ganda ng pool. Tapos mayroong mga nagtutuhog ng barbecue dito. Yan sila guys. Ayun, may ari ng vlog.
Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. 할기다 한 줄 알고.
Guys, ayan na sila. So, yun, nababa na kami. Ayan. Tingnan namin yung mga food. We have another turbo! Wow! Ano ginagawa mo, tita?
Eto, nag-ready ng hot pot.
So, we have hot pot by Tita Joni.
Yes.
Tita Abby. Our, ano tawag dito? Our barbecue by Tito Ote. Wow, yummy. Ito na yung mga tapos na. Hi, Tita Sweet. Wow! At chicken, ay, spare ribs by Tita Sweet.
Baka matutukan kayo. Baka matutukan ka. Bum!
Yan na, yan na. Wow. Ba't kasi kung maaamoy nyo lang yung salo-salong amoy ng pagkain, sobrang sarap. Nakakagutom na. And yes. Ano to? Ah, yung hot pot ni tita.
Ayan po, dyan niyo po nilalabas yung mga sama ng loob niya sa bawang. Ala, hindi nyo kaya yung tayo niya. Hindi nyo kaya yung tayo niya. Nagdidikdik lang yan ng bawang, guys. Pero pa-split na siya. Grabe. Nakakatakot yung tayo niya, guys. Ang ganda mong babae, pero bakit naman ganyan ang tindig mo? Isa pa to, ganda. Ala, tumalikod, umarat, umupo.
Baka! Baka!
Guys, nagtitiktok kami. Wait lang, pakita mo ba yung TikTok natin? Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Tito.
Ayo.
Ala! Twinning! Wow! Ala! Hindi na sabayan ng anak. Good. Eh. Ayan ang susang ano? Kuha. May pabadating. Girls, let's go na! Tan, 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 tan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ala! Yes, the hot well, eat well, eat well. This is my food.
May nagsasarili naman. Antayin mo lang. Eh, yung kabila, yung kabila.
Ay, di, wala. Lobat yan lang.
Lawas yan lagi. Hindi niya na. Isa pa nga, isa pa, isa pa. Dati talaga dalawa yan. Grabe, ang sobrang flat. Ganyan din ang talo.
Hi, guys!
Amari, wag. Maging mabait.
Yes. Isisumbong ka namin sa daddy mo.
Trick! May trick ako.
Pek, di daw matutulog, pero tulog. Ay, ay, ay. Sila, OMG. Ayan! Ayan!
I got
Tito, naisap yung ato.
Ito po ang mga audience, guys. Hello, guys!
Why can't I hold you? Some nights I get cold too. 4 hours falling.
Low desire na.
Now I feel nothing. 1, 2, 3.
Galing!
Good night. Ale. Lily Pops. Kala ko ba mag-aayos tayo?
Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe.
Papa Texas ko mamaya.
Sorry.
Kilalitin niyo na lang ako. Iparamdam natin sa kanya na siya talaga yung happy ng vanilla milkshake.
Yeah.
Binilang niya na yan sa gabi.
Hi guys!
Ano yung monkey? Ganda no, dahil.
Paalis na kami. Nag-aayos na lang kami ng mga gamit and nagre-recreate kami ng mga pictures na nagawa na namin. Siyempre, recreate nga eh.
Erika, sa tabi na lang kayo nila.
Ay, dito.
Yan, kita ka yan.
Dito.
Mira, hindi ka nakita dyan, Mira.
Dito ka anak ko.
Doon ka sa tabi ni Akil, hindi ka nakita dyan na sa akin. Saan ka? Dito ako sa tabi ni Akil.
Saan ang zookeeper?
Zookeeper, come on.
Hi guys!
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown, with our best moves we can boogie. Oh. My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. Let them think that we are crazy.
So, ito sila guys. Ha?
We're out all night or at home lazy.
Deadma. Guys, ito ang Texas joke. Traditionally, dito talaga kami kumakain. Traditionally, pangalawang beses ko pa lang naman.
Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
This art area. Let's go. Mag-guess the bill challenge kami. First is si ate kong papansin.
I think it's around 12,500. 7 to 8K.
Wow.
10,500.
Around 10 or 11K. 14,000 or maybe 15,000.
Ikaw, Jace?
13,000.
13.
9,
9.
14, 13, 5, mga 11.
Ikaw, Mami?
20 plus.
20?
13 to 15.
How about you two?
Same.
Same.
Same. Kanina same.
15. Ikaw, tita?
15.
15 din. Tita, guess the bill. Guess the bill, tita.
45.
Wow! Guess the bill.
Ha?
Guess the bill.
Kasi pag nakatama ka daw, ikaw magbabayad.
Ayun, at 26,750.
19.
Nasabi ko sa inyo, sobrang sarap na mashed potato. Grabe. With gravy. Nakadalawang, ay pangilan mo na yan? Pangatlo. Ay pangalawa. Nakatigdalawa na kami mashed potato. And yung gravy nila the best.
Dali, di ba may bagong happy birthday? Happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yung Indiano, sabi ko ba?
Yun yung muna pinakain sa ano, Celebram. Ang sarap! Sa kuya!
You and me, well, it's always on my mind. Ecstasy when you call me up tonight.
Daming tao. Yan later.
Somebody new, but I don't want to. I've been lost in feeling you.
Strawberry and chocolate for 100 each.
Gotta be something to do, so I don't lose you. What did we get into? You and me,
May drinks pa
it's
ako.
always on my mind. Ecstasy when you call me up tonight.
Guys, i-rate ko siya. Guys, ano lang, 5 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Yan. Ano ba yan? Ang oily ko na! Since medyo busog pa, take out na lang muna siya. And hindi worth it siya kasi 100 each. May photo booth sa baba, so magpo-photo booth muna kami. Let's go! Our personality. Ano yung personality?
I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been
Dami na kami.
waiting, but every time I think about you, baby,
Uwi na guys.
don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been
So, ayan siya guys, si Madam Erica na nagpapapansin, nilalagnat daw siya. Ayan siya guys. Mag-face reveal tayo. Face reveal, ganda.